C-R-A-C-K me. Chiropractor, you got 2 jobs tonight. Hydraulics, hopping rope, slipping off one shoulder. Back already arched, but the night's getting colder. First crack my spine, make them vertebrae pop, then crack this kitty open. Don't you dare stop, oil on my skin, bounce to the beat. Every slow whine make the pavement feel the heat. Crack it, crack it. My back isn't the only thing I won't crack. Pop these vertebrae, then pop this kitty intact. Crack, crack, make it loud, make it snap. Adjust my spine, then adjust where it's at. My back isn't the only thing I won't crack. Double prescription, leave me lay flat. 64 bouncing, robe on the ground. Your hands on my waist, making that perfect sound. Twist me left, twist me right, make it click. Then twist between my thighs, same damn trick. Sweat tastes like candy, skin tastes like gin. Crack me so good, I forget where I've been. C-R-A-C-K. Deeper, cracker, cracker. Bend over the hood, city lights in my eyes. Every slow bounce make the whole block realize. Screaming on my neck, one hand pulling my hair. Crack this spine and crack what's under there. Squirt on the paint, leave a candy-coated stain. Make the low rider jump every time I scream my back isn't the only thing I won't crack. Pop every bone, then pop this kitty unpack. Crack, crack till the sunrise. Snap, leave me walking funny, leave me fully reattached. My back isn't the only thing I won't crack. Double crack special, never going back. Still crack, still dripping. Spine still popping, kitty still open.